Imagine this. You're retired, no alarm clocks, no annoying boss, and a bank balance of 25 crore rupees to spend on whatever you like. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for Gen Z, this isn't just a dream, it is the target. The Milestones to Wealth Financial Freedom Report reveals the ultimate paradox of the youngest generation. According to our survey, nearly 45% of youngsters aged 20 to 30 are targeting a retirement corpus of 25 crore and more. To them, financial freedom means the pure ability to spend on whatever they wish to. They also don't want the traditional 9 to 5 grind. In fact, two-thirds of them are ready to break away from conventional career paths in search of excitement and novelty. But here's a reality check. While older generations are heavily invested in stocks and mutual funds, only 69% of Gen Z are actually investing in these wealth creators. That's a massive lag compared to 90% in the age group 30 to 50. What's stopping them? First, entry-level paychecks. Because of this, Gen Z is highly budget constrained and is focused purely on living within their means. Second, the savings leak. Only just over 50% of youngsters raise their savings as their earnings go up. Combine that with the constant fear of inflation, and the math to 25 crore just doesn't add up. To put it bluntly, Gen Z has massive long-term dreams, but they are delaying the exact compounding machine, equities, that make those dreams a reality. So, how do we fix these fault lines? Here is your generation-specific action plan. First, map every rupee. You say you are living within your means, but frequent food delivery orders, unutilized gym memberships, and multiple OTT subscriptions are silent budget killers. So, plug those leaks. Second, set goal-tied SIPs. Whether it's a foreign holiday in 5 years or self-funding a home buy in 15 years, tie every rupee to a purpose. It keeps you from stopping your investments on a whim. The path to 25 crore starts with better behavior. Better behavior, better decisions, better wealth. Join over 8,000 investors on their journey to true financial freedom with Milestones to Wealth.